Hello and welcome, dear friends, in new lecture of our course Health and Safety Management System. Let's continue with Chapter 1, Foundation in Health and Safety. Last lecture we learned main reasons to maintain good standard of health and safety. Today we discuss new point. Being in charge and responsible for health and safety in any organization, it requires you to know basic knowledge about laws, whether international or national law. Law is considered as a center which legislations and standards and company manuals or policies revolve around. We have two types of law, the civil law and the criminal law. Let's briefly know the difference between them. Civil law is the branch of law concerned with compensating individuals or organization for loss or something wrong they suffered from. In other definition, we can say that the aim of the civil law is to compensate an individual or organization for loss suffered, such as injury, death, or damage to property. Second branch of the law is the criminal law. It aims to punish individual or organization for behaving in a way that the society decided is unacceptable. Punishments such as fines and imprisonment or even death. Next point you have to know is what is required to win a case of negligence of health and safety against the employer. There are three standard conditions required to win this case. First condition is the duty of care. You have to prove that it's the duty of the company to care about the claimant, who is the injured worker in this case, and protect them from any harm by providing safe workplace. For example, law enforces the employer to provide a welding technician with a welding mask for eye protection. So it's a proof now that it is a duty of care of the employer to provide the technician with this mask to protect him from the welding process. Second condition is to prove that this duty of care is breached, that the company didn't provide reasonable protection for the claimant. For example, the employer didn't provide welding technician with a welding mask for eye protection, and no signed record by the technician that he has received the PPE. Last condition to win the case is to prove that this breach caused the loss by an evidence such as a medical report that the loss suffered was caused directly by that breach. For example, welding technician suffered from welding process causing him eyesight damage. Well, the conclusion of this lecture is that this information must be known to avoid any legal actions against your own business or the company you work for. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in next lecture.